Hello everyone and welcome back to this channel, and today I'm going to walk you through how to enable quick access for Samsung Wallet in 2025. First thing you need to do is open up the Wallet app on your phone or the app drawer. Next thing you're going to do is tap on the three-line menu. You see it in the top left corner, then select Settings. Next thing you're going to do is scroll down until go on Quick Access. It must appear as Quick Open. Then you have to select either double press side key if you're using power button shortcut, or you can choose swipe from corner for edge screen access. Then exit the settings and double press your power button or swipe from the screen corner to launch Samsung Wallet instantly. Please ensure your Samsung Wallet app is updated in Glasses Store for the latest features. Make sure it's also verified. For now, these steps match the current Samsung Wallet settings hierarchy, and there's no regional restrictions as it works globally where Samsung Wallet is available. Hope you found this video helpful.